Hello, family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whenever you are watching us from, welcome to WYC Trading Channel. In today's video, I want to have a real life trade breakdown. Okay, there's some trades we took on GBP USD, also you on Euro USD. We have these trades being active. So I want to share out my point of view, what happened or why we took the trades, and also what are our possible expectation of this market that are possibly playing out. So I just want you to stay tuned and watch right down to where we get everything being done. So now let's get right into the chart. So starting up with this, we are starting up with our chart with Euro USD. So probably we're looking at on Euro USD, guys. I trade on 30-minute time frame. Okay, 30-minute time frame is my minimum trading time frame that I do take trade on, and I trade consistently on that particular time frame. I don't do 15, I don't do 5, I don't do 1 minute. I don't trade lower time frame on my main accounts. Okay, so what are we looking out for? This is the trade on Euro USD. Euro USD. So currently you can see that we are currently on some buying position as well. But I want to give you a breakdown on what literally happened. Why are we taking out this buy? And what can be the possible outcome for this trade to play out? Is the trade going to continue more bullish, or can price literally just turn back and take us out before it continues more on the bullish side? So before that, let's break down. Okay. Now this is Euro USD, right? So we need, before talking out on this, we need to check out what happened last month. This is the month of July. We want to look out on what happened in the month of June before this, right? If we go back throughout the month of June, May, June, realize that Euro USD has been significantly bullish. Your Euro USD has been significantly bullish in the market. Then throughout the beginning of July, that is towards the end of June, beginning of July, right up to the 17th of July, we have experienced a significant drawdown on Euro USD. Okay, that means the euro has lost its strength against the United States dollar, and now we are looking at for possible buyback. Okay, we are looking at for possible buyback on this market. So what are we looking out there for? When we look at the market after that, the market has made this strong impulsive structure, like going right all the way up. Now we were able to spot some strong downtrend, right? This strong downtrend, but as a result from what happened previously on the chart, right? As a result of what happened previously on the chart, we can possibly see that this is a clear correction. Okay, we have an impulsive structure. We have a powerful impulsive structure where the market was literally going up, strong bullish for over a month. Okay, for over a month, we have a very strong bullish on Euro USD. Then at the beginning of July, we have a significant drawdown on that. That means the dollar at the beginning of this month picked up significant strength against the euro, causing the euro to have a decline in price. So possibly now we are looking out on more buying opportunity for the trend to continue more bullishly. So what our possible outcome? This is price action trading. So we want to be talking about the market, looking out on that scenario. So after this impulsive breakout from this after price, we had a significant high of 1.18287. Okay, that was the last possible high that we literally met our market at. We're talking about price getting to this level. Okay, so we possibly experienced a drawdown back to this level as well, marking that as a significant area in the market as well. So we realized that the market, after the market did this significant drop to the downside, after the market did a significant drawdown to the downside, this bearish move, we see that the market has been significantly creating what bearish trend, a bearish continuation trend. Price will decline, pullback, decline, pullback, decline. So the major trend of this market has been a bearish movement. Are you getting me? So the major trend of this market has been bearish so far. When the market is being bearish so far, that means we are possibly looking forward for more selling opportunities on this market while mapping out the major key areas in the market as well. So that is what we were looking out for. So now, after price did this, right, we have to identify ourselves with the major highs and alongside the major low. So marking out this higher point here, marking out this major area where price was rejected at before selling off became our key major resistance level. Okay, become our key major resistance level. We are talking about areas of this. We are talking about this. We're also talking about this level. We're also talking about level and also around this level as well. it became our key major resistance level in the market, causing price decline. And from there, since we realized that after price did this structure around this level, now for a possible reversal to occur, right, we actually noticed something that played out around this level. After this drawdown here, after this trend correction down here at this level, right? This was the last bearish drop that happened. Okay, this was the last bearish drop that happened in this market. So after that happened, now we have this strong breakout away from this level. We have a strong breakout price breaking off away from this level. When price did that, then we have a pullback back into our baseline. You had a pullback into our baseline. But price really didn't meet up. Okay, price just came in retest. It got retest around this level, but the strength of that price never meet the actual low of this level. Okay, so just volatility shifted price below this level, taking out some buyers along this area before continuing to go back up along that zone. So when price made up this area, what will we possibly looking out here for? We're possibly looking out for buys, and throughout this level, after price took away from this level, we're looking out for buy above this level. Now this became our major resistance level. Okay, this became our major resistance level. This point became our major resistance level. So from here now, while we looking out here, we had to identify or look for opportunity where price is going to break away from the zone. Then we begin our buy. If you are a price action trader or a chart patterns trader, you possibly be looking out for this becoming our major. This is a major flag pattern. Okay, we have a major flag pattern playing out around here. So possibly on the bigger guys, and the big guys can be buying in around this level with a stop loss over 130 pips move, then with a projection going above that level. But I'm more of a candlestick pattern trader, more of a candlestick pattern trader. That means I actually analyze my trade, then I take my entry based on candlestick pattern theory. Okay, I take my trade based on candlestick pattern theory. If you haven't watched my candlestick pattern strategy, you can literally look. I'll put in a link in the description below where you can find that video, so you can also watch it. If you haven't watched it, then you go watch it. And if you watch it, you like it, please let me know what you think about it, and also you drop a like. Also share me your thought on what you think about the video so that I will know what I can make next time. If you have any question, drop that in the comment section as well. So from there, I'll be able to answer them and sort out any challenges that you'll possibly be having. So going back into the video now, let's look out on this level here. So when we spotted this, right, after the break along this level, after price did a breakout here, what we expected here is that we saw this, okay, we saw this symmetrical triangle pattern here. We spotted this this is a minor correction pattern from this impulsive structure. Then price broke away from this level, also going up along this zone. So we actually took some buys here yesterday, and the market played out around this level. So now again, also now the same structure is happening here. So we also have a beautiful flag right here. We have the major flag playing out around this level. Now we have a minor flag pattern playing out around here as well. So after this breakout here, we're able to take out again some other buys. So we had some buys that are currently running off right now. These are the buys that are playing right now on our chart, guys. So now we have these current buys that are going, and what we are looking out here for is that we are looking for a possible buyout from price to leave this level, right up to this level. Like we are looking for a possible target of 180 pips move from this market from Euro USD, 180 pips move. So that will be our price expectation. Now, since we are on the trade, we are holding out on the trade, and I'll possibly be sharing out updates. If you haven't joined us, you can join us on Telegram, WYC trading channel, or WYC trading academy, and also I'll be dropping down the link on our WhatsApp community as well, Wayfield Capital. Okay, so you can do that. But before then, I would like you to subscribe down to this video. And also let me round that up with our trade that we have on GBP USD. This is Great British Pound as well. We have a trade on Great British Pounds trading against United States dollar. So we have the same similarity to what happened on Euro USD, right? We have the same similarity. This is Euro USD, and we have the same similarity on pounds happening on what happening on uh Euro USD. So we look at on this market also. We also had a major pull up. Okay, we had a major pull up. What happened? This was the last base low that we had. Like we had the last structural low right up to this level, and price went this high. Okay, so we had a strong bearish pressure from this market pushing down more sales, and along this area, we are able to spot this channel, this bearish channel here, connecting our major resistance level and also our major support level. So you can see that the price it has been trending very bearishly to the downside. So what we needed to do here was a possible breakout. Okay, we needed price to break above this level for us to go out for a possible buy. And along this level, so we had some buys here we took yesterday. We also closed out on some profit up at this level. But now another significant impact on this market that you can also realize is that when we look along this level also, when we look along this level, same thing we saw on Euro US is also happening here, right? We have, I don't know if you can possibly spot a head and soldier pattern here with me, but I want to show you what we see here. So signifying another major possible reversal. Aside that, this is a flag pattern. Okay, aside that, this is a possible of a beautiful major flag pattern that is forming out in the market. We also have this structure playing out here. Okay, we also have the head and soldier pattern playing out there in the market as well. So we have price breaking away from this level, coming back down here to give us another neckline. Then now we have price breaking. So what we needed to do is the same thing. Price have to break away from this level, which was exactly why I marked from this zone, right? And I say price marked away from this zone as a breakout. They will possibly be looking out for new buys to buy on this market. So we actually took some buy and we closed out with some profit because I trade at a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio for every $1 that I'm putting up in the market. My profit ratio is 5x. My profit ratio is 5x. I don't go below and I don't go above. So either I go for a loss or I go for a take profit on that bet. If I'm going for a take profit, I always make 5 times my risk. If I'm going for a loss, then I lost. But I don't do more than on my main account, I do 1% risk, and on my minor account, I can take up to 2% maximum risk. Okay, this is 30-minute time frame. I know that based on my trading strategies, I can have up to 30 trades a month on one asset. I can have up to 30 trades a month. So if I'm having 30 trades, that's 30% exposure of my account. Okay, so with that I can produce right up to 30, 40 to 70% gain in a month. So I'll be showing you that up in another video. So right now we'll be closing out on this video here. If you like this video so far, if you have watched right down to this level, please consider subscribing, and also consider sharing this video right there. See you on our next video.